Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to download subtitles in VLC Media Player and add them to your favorite movies and videos. It's a simple process that can enhance your viewing experience. So, let's get started. Once you have VLC installed, open the application. If you already have a video you want to watch with subtitles, go ahead and open it. If not, you can simply drag and drop your video into VLC. Now let's configure VLC to download subtitles automatically. Go to the View menu and select VLSub to open the VLSub extension, and then click Search by Name, and then click Download Selection. Once loading was done, then subtitles you want. Select the one that matches your video. You can see the language, source, and rating to help you choose the right one. Then click Download Selection. VLC will download the subtitles and add them to your video automatically. You can adjust the synchronization if needed, but most of the time, it should sync perfectly with your video. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and added subtitles to your video in VLC Media Player. Now you can enjoy your movie with subtitles to make sure you catch every word. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I read and respond to all of them. Thanks for watching.